Hello, this is Jocka7 here, and I'm doing a Metal Earth model on Boba Fett's Starfighter from the Disney Plus Star Wars show, The Book of Boba Fett. This video is not sponsored by Star Wars. This is not sponsored by Disney Plus or Lucasfilm, so no copyright infringement intended. I'm going to open this up. 2 sheets of metal, 1 square one, and 1 rectangular sheet, 2 sheets of metal, 2 big rectangular sheets of metal, 1 square sheet of metal, and 1 small rectangular sheet of metal. These are the tools from the Fascinations kit. These are the 3D printing tools from animateorange's Etsy page. Again, this is not a sponsorship with Fascinations, Metal Earth, nor anything. And no, this is not a sponsorship with Star Wars, Lucasfilm, nor Disney. I'm not sponsored, so no copyright infringement intended. Also, here's a fun fact. I did pre-order this model from Inn of Toys sometime between March 2022 to like May 2022. And I received this model sometime at the end of August. Seems like I received it a little earlier before this model was going to be later released later in the fall. So yeah, so I thought I'd be doing a video of me doing this before this model actually gets released later in the fall. So let's get started. I present you Boba Fett's Starfighter. This was a lot of time and effort to build this. A couple parts might be a little wobbly and stuff, but this was hard, so stay tuned for more content on my YouTube channel. Have a nice day.